Hello.
Hi everyone.
How you doing, guys? I hope so you're keeping well. It's a beautiful day here in Nusa Dua today. We got so many requests of you guys. Damian, Winnie, can you go to Nusa Dua? Show us the hotel, show us the resource. How does it look like? Because when I was vlogging here last time, actually it was very, very quiet. And now tourists are back, hotels are open, and definitely there are some tourists behind us over there enjoying the hotel facilities. So also the G20.
Yes, so the G20 already started because I see it on the street. Starting from 7-8 of July, there are already many meetings, and even next week there will be the financial ministers of the G20 meetings here for the few days in Bali, especially in Nusa Dua. So yeah, we will stroll around to show you how is Nusa Dua nowadays.
So we just make the intro and we already met two people, two fans who watching us very regularly. One person staying, one of the family staying in the Melia, other guy was staying in Westin, I think.
Yes, so one guy is coming from the South Africa, and then he's already in Bali for 1 month, and this is the last day.
And the second guy, the family actually, also from Africa, originally Spanish people, they staying already in Melia for 1 year actually.
Wow.
They come during the, you know what.
Yeah, and then he explained to me he was in Jakarta quarantine for 10 days. You know, he came during the pandemic time where it was so...
Actually, that was exactly 1 year ago. I still remember that. This was the beginning of July. So definitely, year later, the times are definitely much better, right?
Okay, so today we will stroll around in the area of Melia, the Laguna, the Westin. So for those of you who has been already requested us to show it around, so stay tuned.
That's for you.
Now we are in one of the hotel in Nusa Dua, which is Melia Hotel. This is not paid endorsement, but I think that once we used to stay here. But look, I spoke to one of the staff here. They said that the occupancy of the hotel now so busy, and also because of the G20 conference. You see now how is the hotels so busy, and people seems enjoying their holidays. So yeah, it's very nice to see this one.
By the way, Melia, of course this is not paid endorsement. However, we would like to support you and help you a little bit with your choices. It's really nice hotel actually in Nusa Dua. I mean, it's really nice. Check this out, the beach and environment.
The beach is so clean. They really maintain the beach, even that, you know, during the pandemic. They really, you know, maintain it well. And you see the sand is so clean, and yeah, seems like everybody is enjoying their holidays here.
Yeah, so that was the Melia, and this is actually Laguna collection. So previous is Melia group, and this one is Marriott group.
One thing that I just realized, that the tourists, the type of tourists that are coming to Bali nowadays, they are mostly independent tourists. I mean, like, they are not really coming from the big travel agents like long time ago, you know, like coming from the big bus, big travel agents going to somewhere. But nowadays, I can see that the returners who come to Bali, they are just independent. They already been to Bali and then they come back to Bali. So yeah, so happy to see this.
Alright guys, and now we are in Westin. This is actually the another hotel, just they are next to each other basically. And this price range of this hotel is approximately 150-200 American dollars per night. And also, this is like a complex of the resorts here. So you're coming here most likely for the relax and typically holidaying, not really for the adventures, except you can also have water sports in the beautiful ocean over here.
promesas son nada más que solo palabras. Y si no las cumples, se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven. Sin estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz.
So we also met another couple from US, from California. Everybody seems like they're having a really great time in Bali. So happy on their smile and calling TheMonkeys, Damian, so happy. So I'm also happy to saying hi to you guys, and meanwhile for the rest of the day, I think we're gonna have a little coffee and snack in Melia, because check this out, it's just so great vibe to be here, guys. So if you have it, you have to enjoy it.
If you're asking us about how is the weather nowadays in Bali, it's hot and humid. So yeah, first time when we arrive here, have a drink. So yeah, this is how it is. And also I asked one of the waiter here saying that the all-inclusive package almost in all hotels in Nusa Dua, they're already available. I think that most of the guests here, you know, order like all-inclusive, but I'm not sure. Maybe some of yes and some of not.
Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven. Sin estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Inicio el futuro, bebé, ya tú sabes.
Also, we're gonna enjoy our coffee. By the way, did you read this one? Is so nice. The hospitality in these hotels, guys, the staff and the quality and everything is just, it's really different class. That's why you should come
This is
here.
not paid endorsement.
No, it's not with endorsement. We're not gonna get anything for free here, guys. We just like to recommend sometimes something what is really worth it, guys, because this one is really nice. You guys asking us about the recommendations, that's why we are making these videos like this one nowadays. Bali is back, tourists are back, more places are open up, so it's worth. Also, in Nusa Dua, everything what you see, even this coffee is definitely much more pricey than in Sanur, and Sanur is also great hospitality, guys. I mean, this one is more premium and the Sanur is more budget friendly, guys, but pretty the same but different. Cheers.
Okay guys, so this is how the situation in Nusa Dua nowadays, especially in the area of the resort. We already showing you how the Melia Hotel, and then the next door is the Laguna Hotel, and also seems like hotel occupancy is already increasing, and then all the holiday makers are already coming back, enjoying their holidays in Bali. It's so happy to see this.